Hello guys, welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video I want to share with you step-by-step procedure on how you can claim your Toma Airdrop on Tomarket mining bot on Telegram to your Bitget Web3 wallet on Telegram. Also, I'll be showing you how to copy your Aptos address from Bitget Web3 wallet on Telegram. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, when you launch your Tomarket mining bot, this dashboard will appear. You click on assets and this dashboard will come up. If you have not connected your wallet before, it will show you connect here. This place you are seeing claim Toma on chain, it will show you connect. You click on connect, it will prompt you to create a new wallet or import an old one. Simply create a new wallet, set your password and proceed to create. After creating, save your recovery phrase and your wallet is connected just like my own. Then if you have an access to claim just like my own, now I have 96,700. okay, you click on claim. It will show you skip and start claim. Don't stake, I don't advise staking. Okay, I will skip and start claiming. And this is it. This is my address, the Aptos address I connected. It will automatically select Aptos network. You don't have to do it manually, and they will charge me fee of 200 Toma, and I'm going to receive 96,500. I'll click on confirm, and I have successfully claimed. This amount of token will be sent to my Bitget Web3 wallet. Okay, for those that have created it. So I'll go to my Bitget Web3 wallet. This is it. I'll click on open. Okay guys, this is my Bitget Web3 wallet. Okay, your own will be showing exactly like this after creating the wallet. Okay, the Toma token I just claimed will appear here when it's available. For now they are still processing it. Okay, for you to copy your Aptos address, you simply click on search here. You type Aptos, this one, apt, click on it, you click on receive, and this is your address. You can now use this address to buy your Aptos network fee. You need small amount of Aptos to withdraw successfully. Remember, to claim from Tomarket mining bot is free, but you need an Aptos for gas fee to send it from this place to your exchange of your choice. And Tomato is listing, that's Toma is listing on Bitget and Gate.io, so you can withdraw to Gate or Bitget once it arrives. Okay, when the token appears here and you want to withdraw to an exchange of your choice, let's say Bitget or Gate, but I'll be using Bitget. Let's say you want to withdraw to Bitget, you click on Toma, you click on send, then you minimize and go to your Bitget. This is my Bitget exchange. Okay, this is my Bitget exchange. You click on assets, you click on spot, then you search for Toma. This is Toma, you click on it, you click on this three dot at the bottom, you select deposit. This is it. You copy this address here by clicking on this icon here. Remember, Toma is launching on Aptos network, so the network must be Aptos. You click on it, copied, you go back to your Telegram mini wallet, you paste the address, you enter amount, let's say 96,000, and you proceed to withdraw. For now we can't withdraw because the Toma is not yet deposited. Okay, this is how to withdraw. This is how to copy your address as well.